Task number 11, PGP, GPG, and AES. This task is part of Encryption, Crypto 101 module inside the complete beginner path on TryHackMe. Let's download the task files. PGP stands for Pretty Good Privacy. It's a software that implements encryption for encrypting files, performing digital signing, and more. What is GPG? GNU PG or GPG is an open source implementation of PGP from the GNU project. You may need to use GPG to decrypt files in CTFs. With GPG/GPG, with PGP/GPG, private keys can be protected with passphrases in a similar way to SSH private keys. If the key is passphrase protected, you can attempt to crack this passphrase using John the Ripper and GPG to John. The key provided in this task is not protected with a passphrase. Like the way we use for SSH to crack the passphrase, this is GPG to John. The manual page for GPG can be found here. The official GNUPG.org page. What about AES, sometimes called Rajendal after its creators? Stands for Advanced Encryption Standard. It was a replacement for DES, which had short keys and other cryptographic flaws. AES and DES. AES and DES both operate on blocks of data. A block is a fixed size series of bits. AES is complicated to explain and doesn't seem to come up as often. If you'd like to learn how it works, here's an excellent video from Computerphile. And here you can see the YouTube link, but let's access it to see the title of the video because that's another easy way to just search the video. Answer the questions below. Time to try some GPG. Download the archives attached to extract it somewhere sensible. You have the private key and a file encrypted with the public key. Decrypt the file. What's the secret word? AES explains, right? Advanced Encryption Standard by Computerphile. This is how you can search this video on YouTube. Okay, now let's see what we have in here. We have a zip file. We have to unzip this one. So we have the public key and we have the message. So basically we use the GPG tool on our GPG file, right? Which is basically, we use the key that we have to access this message, right? To decrypt this GPG file, right? So we basically use this one, import key, so we can access the message.